In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you how you can obtain Grok AI access completely free of charge, as I had previously posted from my account detailing how you can avail the Grok AI method absolutely free. Alright, so first what you need to do is connect to a Nepal VPN here. The free VPN, do you have one? Pause. Alright, you need to go to Nepal, pause, and then search for Grok AI there. Pause, yes, search for Grok AI. Alright, you'll need to navigate directly to Grok's official website. If you possess any Google account, you can easily access it through that. Okay, this is my Google account. I've gone there, and from here, I'll open my personal ID to clearly demonstrate for you all. Alright, you've successfully reached Grok's website now. Okay, you need to sign up there with your Google account. Okay, I'll refresh it here. It seems there's an internet problem again. Allow it to verify. Once it's verified, it will take you to Grok's website. You absolutely must use a Nepal VPN. You won't need to use your real card or any personal details here. I'll provide you with a bin. Use that bin to generate cards. With these cards, you can create more accounts, but this will only grant temporary access. Alright, but for 7 days, you will only get access for this duration. Okay, so I'll navigate over here now to Nepal and then further to Grok right here. Okay, so you need to sign up right here. You can sign up using your Google account, or you can use a temporary email, but I'll just show you how to test it out. I'll go ahead and create the account, okay? And right here, I'll proceed to sign up with my own Google account. Alright then, I will make every effort to conclude this video as swiftly as possible and explain the entire method to you within just 2 to 3 minutes. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and if my internet connection remains stable, then there shouldn't be any issues, God willing. Alright, let's proceed with signing up here. It's requesting the Google Authenticator code from me. It needs me to verify this account, likely because I'm currently using a VPN, and that often leads to such verification prompts. It's perfectly fine. You can, you can certainly use your new account in its place. Alright, I have entered my authenticator code here, and now I'm going to continue. Okay then, after I've continued, this will only be available on Grok. Let's just refresh it. Yes, because of connecting to Nepal's VPN, your internet connection might also become slow, whether it's a paid VPN service or a free one, okay? A paid VPN might offer you a slight improvement, however. The internet doesn't get slow. Alright, so it's gone here now. Yes, we're on Nepal and it's redirecting. Okay, from here you need to go down to your account again. And let this finish loading. Pause. Then we'll proceed. Pause. Alright, here you need to go to your account section and then click on the upgrade plan. Alright, right here you'll be able to see the option for a 7-day free trial. And this is exactly what I'm going to explain to all of you today. You'll need to click right here on the Start 7 Days Free Trial button. The bin that you're provided with, you will then need to copy that. Alright, once you've copied the bin, you'll then navigate to this specific website and you'll paste this bin right here. Then click on the Generate button below. And from this section, you can simply copy any card you prefer, okay? This is the date for this particular item, and when I proceed to choose a card right here. Alright, listen, for the country selection, you absolutely must ensure that only Nepal shows up here. Look, it has to be Nepal. Okay, got it. I'm going to apply the card details right here. 12:30. Okay, my apologies. It's just showing 230 right now, and whatever details it's providing us next is best if we just use those, because it gives us all the crucial data that very few people actually possess, right? It helps us generate that specific kind of value. Let's enter 420 right here, and over here I'll just put Usman. Alright, and then I'll click on Start Trial. He will verify over here. Your first card might be declined, the second might be, but you won't need to keep trying a third time, meaning if you try just once or twice, it will work out for you. Alright, your trial will start and my trial will be activated here. I'm 100% confident here, alright. And look, my 7-day group trial is now complete. Perhaps, and super group, look, your subscription is now active, you're unlocked. Alright, the super group has been successfully set up now. Yes, let me just quickly show you right here how much credit I currently have available in my account. You can also take a moment to verify what my active subscription plan is. Okay, your current plan specifically includes Grok 4.1 and Grok 4 Fast. Is that clear? A total of 128,000 tokens have been received.